Hey guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. And in today's video, I'm just going to show you how to change the playback speed on YouTube videos on either PC or laptop. So if you find this helpful, please drop a like and leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So you don't have to use any specific browser to do this, but I'll be using Google Chrome. What I'm going to do is just come across to youtube.com, and then I'm just going to load up one of my videos. So I should just mute that. So I'm just going to put that into full screen. So to actually change the playback speed on this, what you need to do is click this little cog settings icon down here, and you'll see one of the options here just near the top says playback speed normal, and you can go ahead and you can either slow the video down or you can speed it up. So I'm going to slow it down, and there's different rates. You can go to 0.75, which will slow it down slightly, or you can really slow it down so it goes basically frame by frame to 0.25. So I'll go to 0.5. I'm just going to hit the play button so you can see that. I'm just going to show you how you can watch the American Netflix from the UK. So as you can see, I sound very tired, and it's slowed the video right down. If you want to speed the video up, it's the same process. You click the settings icon down here, click onto playback speed, and you go above the normal. So normal is your normal playback speed, but I can go to like 1.75, and you'll now see when I play it, I'm going to sound like a chipmunk. This can be done on a PC, a laptop, or basically any device that you can watch Netflix, but you would need to first of all download some software. So it sounds like I've had a ton of coffee, but yeah, that's how you basically do it. There's also an option if you come into playback speed up here, which says custom. If you go ahead and give that a click, you can actually customize the playback speed as well from here. So I hope you found that helpful. If it did help, please drop a like and leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description below where you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.